Hi everyone, my name is Jarrod Jones. I'm the Repair Center Manager at BARTEC US, and I would like to introduce you to our BCS3600. It has a high-speed scanner that can handle barcodes that are damaged, soiled, or have been printed on in poor quality. These models are available in corded and cordless design. The ultra-rugged design allows you to work in potentially explosive atmospheres, such as warehouses or production plants. You can remotely configure and extend your scanners, format data for immediate transfer to your business applications. The advanced imagery reads in 1D and 2D barcodes. It has the greatest ability to withstand drops and tumbles and has the best seal in its class. Both models are dustproof, sprayproof, and waterproof in accordance with the IP65. The BCS captures and processes up to 20 barcodes simultaneously through multi-code data formatting, and its zero Wi-Fi friendly mode puts an end to interference frequently caused by Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi environments. This is the BCS3600.